Good morning traders and welcome back to TradesFX. It is Tuesday the 3rd of September 2024 and the time is soon to turn 10 to 7 a.m. UK time. Traders, welcome back. Good morning to you all. Hope you all slept well. And just getting back to it in the markets here, and I want to show you a trade which may well be setting up. Now, as you can see down here, okay, these are two alerts that I set in the market, and this is the first alert that we spoke about yesterday. So I can get rid of that now because we've already shot a video about that and you're already aware of that. And this is showing the higher high sequence getting broken. Now what then happened was, although the higher high sequence got broken, we didn't get the close below. Okay, so that wasn't enough for us. That wasn't enough for us to consider a position. We're just waiting for the trade to set up. So I set another alert which would tell me if the price that the lower low was closed below. Sorry, I've not long woke up, so I do apologize. Okay, so here's that second alert here. So let's go into the markets and let me just sort of show you exactly what I mean. Here we are on the daily chart of the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, okay, the Kiwi dollar. Now, remember the very first video where price shot up into this level and gave us this bar here. Let's expand this. Price shot up in this level and gave us this bar here. Now, look at what's happening since price rolled over, traders. Look at what happened so far since price has given us that negative bar at confluence in a market where my sentiment is bearish. And look at what is beginning to happen. Now, this isn't proof that price is going to go down. All this is evidence that price may go down, okay? And this is where your skill and your bravery comes in, because once all of your conditions have been met, you really then have to think about taking a position. So let's go down to the 4-hour chart and let's just have a closer look at this and let's just see what's going on. Okay. Now, obviously, remember, this was the level that we were talking about here. Let me just put a horizontal line across here. In fact, I'll just do this. That's the horizontal line there. Okay, so this was the level here that I wanted the initial close below, break below, close below. And what happened was price then came down, touched the level, set off the first alert, but did not close below the level. In fact, prices only closed below the level in the last 8 hours. Once there, in fact, that's just about closed below level, but most definitely here. The good thing about this is not only has price closed below this level here, price also closed below this level here, adding more bearish fuel to my already bearish fire. Traders, hopefully this is a trade that's setting up for me nicely. Now let's get rid of this. And let's have a look at what I'm looking at next. So what am I looking at next, traders? Okay. Well, remember what I said? Look for a close below, break below, close below. I have that. So what's next? What did I say next? Look for some kind of a pullback. Okay. Looking at this, there are some levels here which really stand out to me as a potential for an area to sell from. Right on this line. Why right on this line? Because potentially I see the possibility of a potential head and shoulders pattern forming here. See that? Head and shoulders pattern, potential then to the downside. Okay, what else is there? The other thing that I can see in here, okay, at that very same level, is I can see some 4-hour supply above the market right in this bar here, right at that level here. Awesome. Is there anything else? Let me just go up the time frames, actually see if it's any higher, that supply. No, it doesn't go up above 4 hours. Go back. Oops. That's what I meant to do. What else is there? How about if I take a Fibonacci retracement of this swing to here? Look at that, traders. We have just in that zone right here a 618 fib retracement that lines up with the potential head and shoulders pattern in this play. So what is the play here then? What is the play? Let's just have a closer look, shall we? If I take my short position tool and I place it right in the middle of here, all right, let's just see what we're working with now. Pull this up here. Put in a stop above the high, okay, and pulling this down. Now, the next question becomes, well, okay, if we're pulling it down, how far are we going down to? Let's have a look. And also, let's go up the time frame. So let's just go to the daily chart because I just want to see how this looks on the daily chart. What I'm looking for now is I'm looking for levels, traders, levels to that where price could potentially bounce. There's a monthly level right there, isn't there? Monthly level right in there. I like this, traders. I really, really like this trade. I really, really like this idea. And what will then happen is if we do get triggered, I will take off 50% of the position somewhere down to when we reach a 2-to-1, if we reach a 2-to-1. And all you really have to remember, traders, is that this is being shot live. Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 6 minutes to 7 a.m. in the morning. And everything is setting up really very nicely. So all I have to do here now is set it up. So let's do exactly that. What do I want to do? I want to create a limit order. And I know you've seen me do this time and time again. One moment there, traders. That's better. I wasn't actually logged in. And remember, traders, this is where I do my technical analysis. I don't use TradingView as a live account, but it's where I do every bit of my trade, of my technical analysis. So this trade has actually already been set up on my live account on MT5. So I'm just mirroring it for video purposes, for you, for education. So let's see what happens now. Let's set this up and let's see what happens. It really is a case of that. So what do we want to do? Well, we want to set it up on a limit order. How much risk do I want in this trade? No more than 0.5%. And you watch me do this over and over and over again, traders, don't you? It's just the repetition of the plan. So are we happy? 0.5% risk, 305%. But before we do that, let's just go back a second. If this trade is successful, we will have made 305 pips, as you can see there. That's a 4.58 to 1 risk reward trade. Fabulous, fabulous trading if we can get this to play off. So let's set it up again. There, let's just put that in there. 0.5 risk reward. We want to, yeah, it's a limit order that we want to set. Yeah, it's all good. So let's set that up in the market. There you go, traders. It's set up in there. Trading views changed slightly here, I can see. Normally you would get the whole thing come up here, but it's different now. How does that work? That's something new, that is. Okay, well that's cool. Oh, here we go, show more. Ah, there we go. So there's a trade that's been set up on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. And traders, let's see what happens. Traders, come across and subscribe. If you like this content and you're getting something out of it, come across and subscribe. Leave your boy some love, and I'll catch you all very, very soon. Take care, traders. Actually, traders, there's one thing I forgot to do, and what I will do is I will set an alert. That alert is just to remind me if price crosses up through that level, that a short trade is triggered. Just thought I'd add that on to the end of the video there, traders. That's set up in the market. Okay, traders, catch you all soon. Leave your boy some love. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care, traders.